KTN News.
Now tonight, the wrangles around the former ruling party Jubilee seem to be far from over. Nominated Member of Parliament Sabina Chege's faction held a meeting with a section of elected leaders and vowed to revamp the former ruling party. However, the faction allied to former President Uhuru Kenyatta has downplayed the meeting, saying it was aimed at misleading elected leaders and, of course, the members of the party. KTN's political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki explains the heightened activities by the Jubilee leaders.
The Jubilee party wrangles are not coming to a close anytime soon. Wednesday, the two factions that have been engaging in a back and forth were once again pulling in different directions.
The issue of
a faction led by nominated MP Sabina Chege held a meeting with a section of elected leaders at a Nairobi hotel as they vowed to revamp the party, telling of the faction that is allied to President Uhuru Kenyatta.
And that the relevant party organs will take action against some of our former officials who are interfering with the leadership of the committee membership of our MCAs in different county assemblies, and we want to urge our MCAs not to be intimidated.
That Jubilee now has been recognized as a parliamentary party, and we want to really thank the wise leadership of the National Assembly. We are still moving around to make sure that Jubilee is also recognized even at the county level.
The faction claiming they were in charge of the party.
This is our party. This is a Jubilee party. We are the members. We are the officials. We will encourage it. We will market it. If Kioni and his cohort are desirous, let them invoke their political rights.
But in a quick rejoinder, Jubilee Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni downplayed the meeting, saying it was convened against the party constitution and is in contempt of multiple court orders.
Kama wale ambao wengine walikuwa nafikiri wanasumbua Jubilee ndio ififie, they are now shocked beyond belief. They are shocked beyond belief, and that is why I'm told they would want to call people to Nairobi instead of going to the ground. Si waende kule ground waseme Jubilee kama kwanza wale walichaguliwa na Jubilee. They are still the elected members of Jubilee. Go and popularize the party.
Kioni says this meeting is meant to mislead elected leaders and members.
Sisi lazima sasa tuende kwa raia. Tuongee na raia wajue ya kwamba a party can also speak on their behalf even when they are members of parliament has abandoned them.
The back and forth coming at a time when President Uhuru Kenyatta's lieutenants met with grassroots leaders before announcing that they would be crisscrossing Mount Kenya region. Sources say Uhuru's new political game will involve the former Jubilee leaders in specific counties and will take advantage of the harsh economic times to sway the public against the government.
I want to beseech, we as Jubilee, we will respect and accord His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta all the respect that he deserves as an elder and as a former president. But we will not allow Kioni to run away with our party using the name of anybody, including the former president.
I want to tell you the fear of the former head of state by KK is so little. It is part of what you saw from those rebels of Jubilee. They have been sent by the same team.
The former president has been active in the last few weeks in what analysts say signals a major comeback to politics. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Well, long before the elections, they said that President Uhuru Kenyatta is still young. Where is he headed? Well, it looks to be